Alright, hello my friends. So, as you can see by the title and just by the video itself, it is going to be another Polko sesh or decorate a Polko with me. And yeah, I haven't done one of these in a while, so I was like, you know what, why not do it? And I filmed this like a few days back, so yeah, but anyways, I hope that you guys will enjoy it. You guys will be hearing me talk throughout this video because I guess I want to make this like, whatchamacallit, I want to make it like a chit chat with me while I polkos. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna be rambling throughout this video, so if you guys wanna listen to me talk, then keep on watching. If not, I will just see you in the next video. But yeah, I decided to use Daniel Kang Daddy. I call him Daddy, I don't know. Anyways, I've been calling him that, but like I feel like that's kind of cringy, so we're just gonna stick with Daniel. But like, yeah, I decided to print out his Polaroid because he looks really cute. And I also really liked his comeback. Like, oh my god, Who You Are is such a good song. Like, and that music video killed me so many times. Like I said, I'm gonna be going off on like really weird tangents throughout this video, so I apologize in advance. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little like chit chat because why not? I never really do these, so I was just like, you know what? Today's the day, Rainer. We are gonna be do this. We're gonna be do this. We're gonna be doing this, and yeah. Anyways, yeah, I really do like how it turned out. Actually, as you can see here, I'm just trying to figure out what type of stickers I wanted to put. I really like these stickers from like Daiso. Like Daiso has some of the cutest like stationery ever. Like I tend to go there a lot, but especially in this like coronavirus situation, I haven't been going lately, but like from time to time I will be like, oh my god, I want to go to Daiso just to see like the cute stickers. And yeah, so I do get some of my stickers from Daiso, and then I've also been buying from Charming Land, which is like a Korean stationery website, and they're obviously based in Korea, but shipping is really expensive, let me tell you that. So if you guys are interested in like getting stuff from there, just know that shipping is very pricey. Like I had to pay like $27 for shipping, and I think it's basically because of the coronavirus right now, which I guess is understandable, but they have really cute stationery and stickers, and so I'm like, I want to get so many things, but then my total ends up going so much like high because I end up adding too much, and then the shipping just stays at 27, and it's just like I'm not having this. So yeah, I haven't really been buying stationery lately, though I feel like I should. So if anybody has any websites that has like really cute stationery or stickers, please do let a boy know because I really need new stickers so that I can continue doing my little Polko sessions. Why did I say sessions? Anyways, on the topic of Polko sessions, Rainer, sessions. Anyway, see, I told you this entire thing is just going to be me rambling and going off of tangents. So I am so sorry about that. But anyways, where was I? I was saying that I do like little IG streams, live streams with my friend Spirit. I love them so much. Yeah, and we do like little Poco nights together on live, and it's just really fun to just like unwind because it's honestly very therapeutic, I guess you could say, to like do polkos and stuff like that. So yeah, I've been really liking doing lives with them. But yeah, if you guys haven't obviously followed my Instagram, make sure to do so because yeah, I do post on there from time to time. And then also I have my TikTok, which, you know, if you don't follow me on TikTok and you aren't seeing the cringy content that I post, make sure to do so. Also, now that we're on TikTok, see, like I said, I keep moving from different topics every single time. I don't know what's wrong with me, but anyways, if y'all haven't seen my TikTok, y'all would have known that BTS liked my TikTok video, and I was like, what goes on? What did I do to deserve this? Like, I was at the park with my friends, and don't worry, we were social distancing, okay? Before y'all come for me, we were social distancing. We were social distancing. But, like, yeah, I was just at the park chilling, and then all of a sudden, I get a notification on my phone saying that, oh my god, did you see that BTS liked your video on TikTok? Go check it out. And I was like, excuse me? So I went ahead and looked at it, and yeah, they really did like my TikTok, and a boy was not okay for like pretty much the entire day. I was just like, I'm still a mess to this day actually. So it's just like, wow, really, out of all videos, they chose mine. So yeah, that's been my life for the past few days. But yeah, I'm still not okay. Like, really, they did that. And I love them so, so much. Also, stream Dynamite if you haven't done already, because it's such a bop. It's so good. Alright, we are near the end of the video, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys would like to see more, especially with like me talking, even though I was rambling throughout the entire thing, I hope that you guys still enjoyed it. But yeah, please do let me know if you guys would like to see more of these. But yeah, I hope that everyone is staying safe, and you know, we are still in this quarantine, so I hope that you all are still practicing social distancing, but know that we will get through this together, and I love you guys so, so much. And yeah, these are what they turned out like. They turned out really, really cute. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video. I will see you guys again soon with another one. And yeah, I love you guys, and bye. Okay.
한결 편안해지고 했어